Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome to Mass Made Easy with 25. In today's lesson, we want to solve this exponential equation. Okay, so at my left hand side, we have root 16 all over 25 raised to the power of 4x minus 9. And outside the brackets, we have another power of 3. Okay, so and at this side, at the right hand side, I have 64 all over 125. Now, in order to solve this, the first thing we have to do is to eliminate the power of 3 here. Okay, so in order to do that, we are going to take cube roots of both sides, because to eliminate the power of 3, you need to take cube roots. So let's do that. So take cube roots of both sides. Good. Now I'm going to do that now. Cube roots. Then in the bracket I have root 16 all over 25. Then I have 4x minus 9 raised to the power of 3. Now, this will cancel out these cube roots now. The power of 3 has cancelled out the cube roots. At the other side, I'm going to do that too. Cube roots of 64 all over 125. Good. So I'll take cube roots of both sides. So the power of 3 cancel out the cube roots here. So that means I'm going to have 16 all over 25. Okay. Now at this side, I'm going to have root 16 all over 25 raised to the power of 4x minus 9. So equals to cube root of 64 all over 125. That's good. Alright, the next thing we are going to do now is to find the square root of this and also to find the cube root of this. Alright, so let's do that. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. So because it's having power, so I'm going to put it into brackets. So I'm having this. The next thing, let's move to the other side. Cube root of 64, that means a particular number that when it multiplies itself 3 times, it must give us 64, and that number is going to be 4. 4 times 4, 16, 16 times 4, 64. So cube root of 64 is 4 all over cube root of 125, that's going to give us 5. 5 times 5 times 5 is going to give us 125. Now let me put this into brackets and give it the power of 1. Yes, so that it can be balanced at both sides. Alright, as you can see, we have the same base, just like when you are solving your normal exponential equation and you have something like this, 2 raised to power 2 equals to 2 raised to power maybe 2x. You know, the 2 will cancel out each other. Good. So we are going to apply the same thing here now. So here, this will cancel out this. Then I will be having 4x minus 9 equals to 1. Now, the next thing to do is to find x. What happened here is that we cancel out the base and we equate the power. The power here is 4x minus 9 and the power at this side is 1. So we are going to equate them to each other. Then to find x now, I will now say 4x equals to 1. When minus 9 moves here, becomes plus 9. So I'm going to have 4x equals to 10. Now our x will now be equals to, divide both sides by 4. So I'm going to have 4x over 4 equals to 10 over 4. And that's going to give us x equals to 4, 2 whole number 2 over 4. Which can be the same as 2 whole number 1 over 2. So 2 whole number 1 over 2 is our correct answer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again in the next video.